Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Points, and I have a very good news for you guys. I got a new installing task to earn Play Points in the Google Play Store. Here you can see I am in the Play Points page, and here you can see get points for trying new apps and games. I got this app to install so that I can earn 5 Play Points, and here you can see, and I got this today, 15th November 2020. Okay, so here you can see, let's just collect the points immediately, and it is saying warpath and earn 5 points when you install. Just install and cancel. Okay, and I think it's done. Here you can see now I have 223 points. I just got 5 points for installing this app. Okay, here you can see, so I got a new installing task so that I can earn 5 play points today. Okay, after watching this video, go to your Google Play Points page and check you got this or not, and if you got this, collect the point immediately. Okay, and please let me know in the comment section below how many points you got or how many apps you got this time. Okay, and if you did not get this, please also let me know, okay, in the comment section below. Bye, see you guys in the next video.